Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the essentials for meal prep, building meals around simple combinations, real life examples for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, one day sample plan, and busting some meal prepping myths. I'm Shibangi, I'm a nutritionist, and I am on a mission to help women become their healthiest versions through simple food, movement, and mindful living. Here's a quick recap of what we did in the last video. What exactly is meal prep? What is menu planning? Why are they so important? The benefits of meal prepping and how to get started when you want to try and meal prep. If you have missed the video, then do check out the link in the description box and top here as well. Now let's look at certain essentials for meal prepping. Now, to get started, you first need to make sure that you have prepped your proteins, which is cooking, boiling the lentils, legumes, cutting and marinating tofu, chicken, and cooking it and keeping it aside. Now, the next is prepping the carbohydrates. So, it could be brown rice, white rice, whole wheat pasta, quinoa, roti, tortillas. You can prep these and keep this, cook it, and put it in the fridge, and it can easily last for over a week. Now, the third is chopping, blanching, or stir frying veggies. You can keep this in the fridge for over a week or in the freezer for over a month. So, this makes your job very easy when you really quickly want to make something. Now, the last and the most essential thing to do is prep your spreads, dressings, or pasta sauce, hummus, pesto, whatever you like, you can prepare and keep it for over a week. Now, how to build a meal? As I mentioned, there are three food groups that you need to focus on, which is proteins, carbohydrates, and fiber, which is our veggies. Now, let me show you some examples as to how you can prep these. So, it could be a good 1.5 bowl of dal, it could be half a cup of rice, and good 1 bowl of veggies. Then the second option could be grilled paneer or chicken with veggies and a roti. So you can also wrap it and have it like a wrap. The third is a salad bowl. So a bowl full of veggies along with some stir fried tofu or paneer with it. To make this even more easier for you, let me take you through a day's meal. So you can have an overnight oats porridge or a lentil wrap or chila, and then for lunch you can either have your normal good amount of dal, sabzi, and rice along with some salad on the side. Should be good 1 bowl of salad. For dinner you could have a quick 1 bowl salad which contains veggies and proteins, or you could have a stir fry with veggies. For dinner you do not need to have more carbs because you are anyways winding down. You need to reduce the portion of carbs, increase the portion of protein. And for snacks, this is the most trickiest. So for snacks, make sure that you have prepped it in advance for the entire week. A roasted air fried chuda, granola or trail mix, peanut laddus, khakra, something that you have baked and cooked at home. So if you are at home, then a quick smoothie is also a good option. So prepare these and keep it and carry it with you. So if you feel hungry, it is there available for you. Even if you don't eat it, at least you have it ready with you when you need it. There are some common myths about meal prepping and menu planning. Meal prepping is too boring. No. If you plan it well, if you keep it around the foods that you like, it is not boring. In fact, it is structured. I don't have time. No, this is complete BS. You do have the time. It's just about planning it well, like you do for any other area of your life. I'll get tired of eating the same food. No, you won't. If you are creative, if you put in a little bit of effort, and I am telling you this from personal experience, try doing this for 2 weeks and eventually you will enjoy doing it. You will learn new skills, you will learn new recipes, and you will start using these recipes quite often. You'll explore more. So Don't be scared, just jump into it and start taking care of yourself. So, I hope this helps, and I hope you start taking care of yourself and eating healthy and not take it like a challenge. And if you need even more guidance, then I have a meal prep and a menu planning guide linked below in the description. Do check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps and means a lot to me. Thank you so much for all your support.